Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Process Monitor step by step. A Process Monitor is a free troubleshooting utility from Microsoft Sysinternals that lets you monitor file system activity, registry changes, processes, threads, and other system events in real time. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Process Monitor or Process Monitor Sysinternals. From the search results, open the official Microsoft Sysinternals download page. Downloading the tool directly from Microsoft's official website ensures you get the latest and safest version. Once you're on the download page, locate the Download Process Monitor button and click it. Your browser will begin downloading a compressed zip file containing the application. Depending on your internet connection, the download should finish within a few moments. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and confirm that the zip file has been saved successfully. There's no need to install anything yet if you're only downloading the tool. You can extract the zip file whenever you're ready to use Process Monitor. If you plan to use Process Monitor regularly, consider moving the downloaded file to a dedicated Tools folder so it's easy to find later. You can also keep the zip file as a backup if you need to use it on another Windows computer, and that's it. You now know how to download Process Monitor safely from the official Microsoft Sysinternals website. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.